My name is Claire Williams and I'm one of the account managers here at Access. I work within the FMS division and focus primarily on not-for-profit sector. We have a webinar coming up, a really exciting one, looking at project-based accounting for the NFP sector. Project-based accounting is so important with so many not-for-profits. The biggest challenge facing finance teams regarding fund reporting, fund accounting and project accounting in this way is having the confidence to put the data into the system without the need of then keeping subsequent spreadsheets updated or keeping manual elements within the project side. Many projects run cross financial years, so you may have a restricted fund that could span several, 3 or 4, even 5 years. And when you report on that project as a whole, you want to look at all those years, not be restricted by that financial year period, and that can sometimes cause a real challenge. How do we look at just that project rather than data as a whole? The major benefit for fund accounting and for project accounting for not-for-profit sector is being able to cater for and handle the regulatory requirements that you have, the reporting requirements that you have and how you have to allocate and designate those funds. It's very important to be visible to your trustees, to your donors, to your project boards, so you can actually see where those restricted funds are being put, that they've been worked on for the correct projects and that they're being used in the correct manner. The key thing that people should take away from this session and from the webinar and from the use of the module itself is the ease of use of it. The fact that you can actually slice and dice your nominal ledger and your project ledger in such a way to give you the information that you need to take out of your system. It's all about flexibility of reporting. It's all about being able to extract the data in the format that you need to see it in and actually control it in the way that you need to see that. You may need to use it in different ways, be it you're reporting to charity commissions or you're reporting against your restricted fund projects, compared to how you're actually going to report against figures from a management account perspective. And using the project costing module, using the categories and the attributes against your nominal ledger allow you to do all of that, and that's really the main thing to take away from it. Customers can find out more about the product and about the solutions from attending the webinar.